Hey guys, it's the Slime Sisters. We're gonna be doing slime today.
We're just gonna show our slime. We ran out of glue because we make slime like every day. But soon I'm gonna be getting a gallon of glue, so that'll be really fun. Because we can make like slime every single day. So that'll be fun. I'm really excited for that.
First of all, make sure to like and subscribe.
Okay, so I want to start with one of mine. It's like my second favorite slime. It's really good.
It's like the best slime we made.
And if you put it in the sun, it actually changes color.
It does? I didn't know.
It like kind of changes color a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I played with
And
this one
then-
before. Remember?
Yeah, and then so if you put it in like sun
Isn't
for
it
like
blue? Yeah, it changes colors blue.
yeah, like but it's not a changing color slime. So there's like new glue. So
That changes color.
it's actually not color changing though. It's like the regular color, but the color is purple.
Secret
And-
handshake.
Oh, right. Okay. Wait, but we don't want to show that. Okay, whatever. Okay, so yeah, here's the slime. It's a really good poking slime too. So like, yeah, you can do that. Oh my gosh,
this is so fun.
Oh,
Is it fluffy slime?
a little bit. Okay, so then this one is kind of like the cousin to it.
Yeah, it's like the same color.
Yeah, but like it's very light.
It doesn't color change.
So here is the poking.
Oh, this feels so good too.
This is how you.
And this feels not all that good.
It's not that good, but it's pretty good. I mean, it has stars in it, so that's pretty.
True.
So make sure that you're looking here, because that's where the
Next
camera
one
is.
we're going to be showing is the blue glitter slime. It's really
It's very
small. Ava didn't have time to make a lot of it.
Yeah. Besides, I didn't have that much glue.
She didn't.
Yeah.
So she only made like
A tiny bit.
teeny bit.
And it actually
Luckily,
kind
we're
of
gonna
smells
use
good.
It does smell
It
good.
smells like grape a little bit.
Oh
It's like grape and blueberry.
Did you
It
put
smells
perfume
really good.
in it?
I did not put perfume
The trick
in
is
my
to
slime.
put perfume in your slime to make it smell good.
Yeah, and then people want to like.
For some reason, so I'm gonna make.
This is not very stretchy slime. It only
This is
stretches like to that much.
And
Okay, so that's
today
that one.
I have. Ava made this like 5 minutes ago, like an hour ago.
Yeah, like an hour
It's
ago.
blue, fluffy.
It
glitter
used to be
slime.
like very like pearly and very light.
You want me to put the shaving cream in?
Yeah,
like,
go
a bit more?
go get the shaving cream, but a tiny bit more, okay?
Yeah, because last time it overflowed.
Yeah, no problem. You didn't
Like
want
that?
to see that. That's good, and that's yeah. Put it on the table. So we got some shaving cream here to add to our slime, just in case we want it to be a little fluffy. So I'm gonna add it to this slime because I think it will be like really nice if we do that. So I'm just gonna add some. So I added it, and I kind of spread it. So I'm just spread it.
Like it's supposed
So
to
it's really
like I
nice.
hopefully this comes back.
Yeah.
Like
Hopefully.
I hope it does.
Because like if
Can I go wash my hands?
yeah, you can wash your hands. So it's a really, really nice slime. I want it to come back to pearl because it's like really, really nice. So Ava's gonna go clean up because she got her hands a little foamy. So she's gonna wash her hands for a little bit.
Sorry about that.
All right, she's back. She's back.
Oh, this is fluffy now. It's fluffy. It's fluffy.
Guys, if you want our names,
It's Ava,
Ava and Ava.
You can call her Ava Crut.
Correct. Kravitz. Or you can just
Okay,
call-
first of all, this is not my house.
yeah, this
first.
is my house and this is my room.
Should
We-
we get
guys,
our YouTube
we
channel?
do not want you to. We don't want to show you guys my room because Oh wait, before I say
Oh,
the-
we're gonna have a video of
maybe
the
just
tour around her
yeah
room.
when it's
Where,
clean though.
where we're gonna usually
Yeah,
do all our channels and
and
videos
yeah,
and stuff.
videos and stuff. And maybe if we
Dad
go
doesn't know.
so. Don't talk. It's your mouth. Okay, so it didn't really work out, but it actually is very soft. I added it to the purple glitter one,
Let me see.
and it actually is
Ooh, that is
soft.
soft.
It's soft, but it's not stretching poking.
It's not like stretchy.
It's not like the
pokey
pokey one.
like this one.
So this one, you can poke it, and it's a really good poking
Let
sign.
me see. Let me see. Let me poke it.
So I'm gonna play with this one.
No, I want to play.
No,
Then I get to play with this one.
Okay, fine.
Oh, this feels so good.
So this used to be a very light blue, and
Should I
guys,
put fluffy in
surprisingly,
here?
I used a tiny bit. No, don't do it.
Put too much.
Because that was my... No, wait, don't bend it yet. I'm gonna take almost all of it off because that's my best slime. I don't want to add anything else to it. Me. I'm kidding. I love her.
Yeah,
I don't know where to put this.
You better love me.
All right, I'm gonna clean my hands up, guys. Looks so satisfying. Oh my gosh, I wish my slime was like that. Like slime. Like this is.
Oh my
I
god,
wish
this
I was
feels
slime.
way better now.
This looks so satisfying, guys. I'm probably in
Can I
the
put
video.
like a teensy bit of it?
No,
But
this
it's so
feels.
stretchy.
Guys, this feels
No, it's not
super
stretchy.
satisfying. This feels really satisfying.
Guys,
All right, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
don't try this at home.
Yeah, never tried this at home.
No, I'm joking. You can. It's fine.
Make slime whenever you want. Ava.
My hands are blue. Look at this. Look at that. My hand is blue.
Are you serious? They have to get rid of this slime. It made my hand blue.
I don't want to get rid of it. It looks super pretty.
We're gonna have the shaving cream.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's so stretchy. I'm actually kind of glad that you added the foam because it got really stretchy. It can stretch like all the way down to the floor.
Like that.
Guys, this is really pretty. Oh my gosh.
You should feel this right now. I am so sad that you guys aren't here right now.
Cause like if you felt this
Still,
right now,
like and subscribe. You got that,
like
people?
and subscribe down below. So
Shaving cream. Everyone loves shaving cream.
woo!
Yeah.
Like, I love this.
Okay, guys. So if we have a sleepover together, which would be really fun,
We can make another video.
yeah,
of
we
our
can make like
sleepover.
a morning routine and a night routine. That would be really fun. Yeah. But once we change into our clothes, we have to like get out of the
You
video.
want to see my swimming suit?
It's right here.
No, not that one. My bikini.
Yeah, the bikini is
Get
like way cuter than this.
Wait,
Just like
why?
throw that away.
I really want to make another one right now.
Yeah, me too, but I don't have any more glue. Guys, surprisingly, I used purple glitter, so much shaving cream that it turned white, and I was like, it needs some color. And then the color I just added color, and it
Wait,
just
this
added
happened like how I came over like a second ago and like you weren't there.
What do you mean I wasn't
Like I
there?
came home. No, like
I'm thinking it's a blue finger. What's actually purple?
it's not
guys.
blue. That's purple.
I know. I'm
You're
blind.
colorblind.
I'm colorblind.
Colorblind.
All right, we should
Ava.
actually be kind of quiet because my brother's taking a nap.
Yeah.
He's
Oh,
really crabby, guys.
We're gonna show Oe in one of our videos.
Yeah, but later in the videos.
Oe is so cute.
We're
You
gonna
want to see how cute and small his shoe is?
so tiny, but we're gonna do that in a different video because we're doing slime right now. Look how purple my hand got, guys. We're
Yeah,
also
same
gonna
with
be
mine.
doing. Maybe we can do like in our next video we should do like a blindfold slime challenge.
Yeah,
We
blindfold
should
slime
get-
challenge.
Yeah, we should. I'm
Like,
gonna.
we should do that right now.
But I don't have any glue.
True.
Well, I'm gonna get a gallon. I'm gonna get a gallon next time at
Like
Target.
next week.
Yeah. Well, next week I'm at my mom's house. And I'm not gonna tell you why I keep switching houses. You guys already know my parents are divorced. Yes.
No,
Which is
why
kind
did
of
you tell him? You could have just told him that your mom bought a house and then that your dad was gonna move in. Ava, that would have been way better. You just said that in the front of the whole world. What is wrong with you?
Hey, I have no idea. I'm just a really weird person.
Just shows all to say secrets. Guess what, guys? I have a stupid dumb brother.
I have an adorable, awesome
Tiny little Oe brother.
brother.
Oh, we
Brother.
forgot to show our pink one.
Oh my gosh, just forgot to see the pink one. That is really nice.
Is it really a beautiful pink one? It's not stretchy. Should I put shaving cream in that?
A tiny bit.
Tiny bit.
It used to be sort of. So once Ava actually accidentally put it into the grass, and I tried to take out as much grass as I could out of that slime, and I was really mad at her. I yelled at her.
Yeah, my best friend yells at me.
She yells at me sometimes,
Yeah,
but mostly
Ava
me.
Kravitz.
Kravitz? You're Kravitz, dude. Oh, by the way, his name is Owen. We call him Owie.
Yeah, we call it Owie because he's a little Owie bud.
Guys, I'm really. Oh my gosh, guys, look at my paper girl. go. It's like sitting better now. Okay, guys. So I have a announcement to make.
We're gonna make our next video in like 2 minutes.
No, well, yeah, but still. I'm going to camp. Wait, hold on, guys.
Oh, cool.
Oh,
she is?
Yeah, she is.
I didn't know that.
Okay, nothing, guys. So,
Sorry, her babysitter was in Arizona and she texted us.
did you really have to say that?
Sorry.
Oh, we just saw.
Wait,
on
but
our
then
phone.
Alexis Madison probably is gonna get so
Wait, let me
mad at
check.
us.
Yeah, she said it. Nothing, guys. I was telling her about our handshake.
Yeah, she told me.
Why did I tell them? You know, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it.
In front of the whole world,
I heard the whole world.
her video.
All right.
You guys, so sorry you could not see that. We're gonna do it in our other video.
Yeah, which has a bigger screen than this. Because we're so close together.
Okay. So we're gonna put all our slime
Guys,
away.
this is really stuffy.
And don't forget,
To
this
like
is my
and
third
subscribe.
time saying it. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
We love you
We
guys.
want you guys to like and subscribe.
We love you guys. You guys are our favorites. Thank you. Thank you for liking
love you
us.
guys.
I love you. We love you.
Bye.
Bye.